2012 Chevy Colorado 4x4 four-door extended cab with 29,000 original miles. Brand new tires and brakes. Pretty sporty with the Hummer H3 Chevy wheels on there. Bed liner. Clean little truck. Blacked out lettering. It is a basic truck. With 29,000 miles, obviously it needs nothing. It does have crank windows. Seats in the back. Carfax report is perfect. Like I said, pretty basic truck, vinyl floors. 29,954 miles. (2012) Chevy Colorado extended cab, four-door with 29,000 miles, 4x4, in wonderful condition.